everybody. Today I am at the W in Fort Lauderdale. I have stayed in this room before, but they've recently remodeled, so it's kind of, there's a little bit of upgrade. Newer furniture on the balcony, newer rugs, things like that. So I'm excited to show you the EWOW suite, which would be their penthouse level presidential suite. So let's go check it out. All right, as you walk in here, you have a great living room. I have my family visiting, which is great. So it's awesome to share a room like this with friends and family. They're all out on the balcony right now as I film this. We have a very large living room. This is all new furniture here. If you look at the photos online, or if you look at my previous video, you can see there used to be some like brown couches here, like a fluffy rug, things like that. So we'll start off in the living room. You got like a little wet bar here, some artwork, TV, great little sitting area, couch, circle around here to 6-person table. And over here we have our kitchen, full kitchen, which is nice to have. We've got a stove, oven, dishwasher. There is a refrigerator back here. Full fridge and freezer, which is really nice to have, especially when you have friends and family over. So the first thing we're gonna do, we'll check out this is a 2-bedroom, so we're gonna check out the, I guess the 2nd bedroom, not the master bedroom. This one's a little smaller, but look at this. This is new, the carpet's new, the blue trim is new. Have a TV. Look at these views that this bedroom has. It's just great. It's fantastic. So this would be looking north. We have the Hilton property over there. And then this is their bathroom. Has dual sinks. There is a water closet. So toilet, bidet in here. Then there is a closet here. This is one of 3 closets actually in this room. Some drawers, things like that, really nice. We have a eggshell tub, which is really cool. Shower with some stone flooring, stone wall. What's nice about this is, if we walk in here, depending on your comfort level, you can shower and there's a window right here. Or you can stay away. These windows are tinted, so not too concerned with it. Another nice thing about this is kind of like a rain shower head, so that's kind of cool. TV above the tub. Little makeup stand. This door does slide open. If you want to open, again, the door, those doors open up as well. All right, so I'm back into the living room. You do have a half bath over here. Kind of nice. And then this is the master suite. A little bit of a larger room. I really like this. It has soaking tub, large soaking tub. I think it's a jacuzzi tub. It's got a 2-person shower. But before we go there, we're going to show you water closet, toilet, bidet, and then there's also a sink in here. This is our closet, lights up when you open up, so that's kind of cool. What's really cool about this shower And not many people may enjoy this, which is fine. But if we want to open these doors up, we can. So again, you can shower and let the outside in if you care to. This also has 2 rainfall showers, and they light up, which is actually a really cool effect at night. But let's go back out to the master bedroom here. All right, so this is the master bedroom. Again, some great views. Obviously east and south. Those doors open up. We have a desk over here. If you feel like working on vacation, you can. Again, this furniture out here, this door opens up. This furniture is all new. So really cool to have. We're going to step out there in a moment. We're going to open these doors up. Thank you for watching.